Transmission is to give you an uplift. So it doesn't matter where you are vibrationally, this will bring you up a little notch. And sometimes all we need is just to be lifted just one notch, and then we can find other ways of bringing ourselves into greater alignment and greater harmony, and find other ways of self-soothing ourselves. But often it's difficult, isn't it, just to get that little leg up. So yeah, this energetic transmission is for you to help you with that energetic leg up. Now, if you haven't heard these sorts of transmissions before, just allow the codes and the tones and the sounds to wash over you. This will land within your energy body exactly where it needs to, and you may feel this in maybe you'll feel it in your chakra, maybe you'll feel it in your physical body in some other place. Just allow that to happen. So as always, do be careful and make sure that you drink a lot of water when you're finished watching this, because there is quite an energetic impact of this. So good. Okay, come with me for a little deep breath, connecting into your body and your physical self. Ashikatititu shialelo inja katapapatiketetitio ashikatu papachiken sekatu babachika asajetia antikuchi babachika ashesia lalolo ikitititio oketchoka achaka unda kotopapapapapatike asikuchi papachikanda kotopapachikia asaisia lalolo inja kotopapachiketia Osekacha popopjika ansu siu le atakoja mbakajoy le uikititititi ikochichitu zubebejika achakata siu zubebe le antikuchi baba eka sitochitinja katatoy ashesu sia le uin antikucha papajika tiu Hisikuchu papajika asekachutinda katatujoy hashile Osekacha babajika anda katapapajika boy bebelelele unchikete chu Estekucha babajika dia lelele de katapapajika dia asekucha babajikanda katuchu tia eselelele indikota babajika atakwel lelelo shi ziso shapete Asakocha babajikanda katupoe pepe bajaka aseseshe lelelelelo zekatata enjoy lelele seka chopa bajaka asekochu asekushi sia la aseko chinja katetia asepoe babajiketia asepoe babajakatia eshesushe Ha, ekocha papa nda kocha papa chiki tia o esa fo shelelelo asakocha papa chika asako inda katatoi ha popa papa chako chu asa chu he ketsa papa chika si unte katache hu ante koi si lolelelo inte katatopoe ekachu papa chiki tia And so there you go, my lovelies. You might all experience that very differently. As I say, these codes come through and work exactly where they need to for you. And so I've stopped trying to translate sort of the impact of these, because they may or may not land in that particular way for you, and I don't want anyone to feel that they're receiving this in the incorrect way, or that they didn't get it, quote unquote, because everyone's getting it. So I won't translate on this occasion. As I say, do drink lots of water. Check back here. I do uploads fairly regularly, and I hope that has really shifted you vibrationally, so that you're finding yourself in a slightly more elevated frequency, and from there you can begin your own path with the other things, the other tools that you use to lift and stabilize yourself. Okay, my lovelies, lots of love. Take care. I'll be back here soon.